This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You must confirm you are an affiliate or partner. This is the only way to get channel points. Once confirmed, open Creator Dashboard, go to Viewer Rewards, then Channel Points, and toggle the system on. You should set a starting balance, accumulation rate, and at least one default reward to test. Do this now so viewers immediately begin earning. It creates engagement. Make sure to save changes before moving on, because those values control how often fans can redeem rewards and how quickly points accumulate. Next, design the specific rewards viewers will redeem. This is where you control value and behavior. Create a custom reward, give it a clear title, cost in points, descriptive instructions, and an image. This helps recognition. Once done, set maximum redemptions, per-user limits, and cooldowns to prevent abuse. If a reward requires you to act, mark it as manually fulfilled. If it's automated, connect extensions or bots. Make sure to test a redemption so you understand the flow and timing for viewers. Finally, manage and iterate. Monitor which rewards get used and adjust cost, cooldowns, or limits based on activity. Once done, communicate to viewers which rewards are active and any wait times. If redemptions stop working, first check extension or bot permissions, OAuth tokens, and that the bot is online. These are the usual culprits. If issues persist, disable then re-enable the reward or switch to manual fulfillment temporarily. This preserves experience while you troubleshoot and keeps viewer trust intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.